Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 005 AutoCAD practice 3. Switch to AutoCAD. Drawing a line with Cartesian and polar coordinates practice. First we choose command line. From menu Draw, choose command line. And then left click in the drawing area. Let's draw the first line segment. We write relative Cartesian coordinates in the command line. The x-coordinates is 160 millimeters because the line points to the right. The relative y-coordinates is 0 because